Okay.
What's up,
Hi
everybody?
guys.
Hello.
Hi guys, it's
Hello.
Blade, and I kidnapped 2 minors, and today we're filming another video.
What's up,
So
everybody?
if you
Welcome
look
back
at
to
your
another video of
videos,
the Quadros.
Where at the where are the quadros basically? We
bro,
are four.
To be honest,
you
I
said that.
really don't think we're
We're
gonna get
four
anything that.
we're four people. And
We're four. We used to be four people,
no,
but
are
like, I mean, we are four people, but the other person is
The
gone for now.
previous person was kicked out. He's kicked out.
he got
He got
kicked out. I don't know why, but yeah.
And now there's another person that joined. I think is it
there's
like
another
Rafael? I
person
think
Uh, we're
is
gonna
it Rafael?
You
we're
guys
gonna
know
say
it's
the
Rafael because he appeared on the video, one of our videos. So he's our new member.
he's the new member. He's the funniest of the
He's
of
pretty chill, so chill.
he's chiller than
I'll
everyone.
start it again. I accidentally clicked.
Yeah, it's okay. Hold on. Let's do the trios again. So
I chat.
so for today, I will be doing the both offense and defend, while day two, Chris and Gabriel gets the
Let me just try
defense.
it to offense. Let me try offense.
Yeah, sure. Okay. What? I can't
Oh,
actually
I fell off. I fell off.
I can't play with
Didn't-
chat.
he fell off, he fell off, he fell off.
I fell off
Yeah, I
again.
got him.
Okay, GG.
Oh
It's
no,
okay.
GG's, GG's,
Oh
It's
shoot.
GG's,
okay, it's
GG's.
okay.
Okay. We gotta go. We
GG's.
got to direct. Go Seb. Go Seb. I'll protect. I'll protect.
Okay, imagine falling, imagine falling. Oh crap. Oh crap, crap,
Oh
crap.
crap.
Got
There
it.
we go, there
Don't
we go, there
worry.
we go.
Nice.
I should go to
There's like a guy there.
we need to be nice to them.
They're coming, they're coming, they're coming, they're
They're coming
coming,
from
they're
this way.
coming.
They're coming from this way. Push up this way.
It's a segue. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh crap.
Okay. Get back.
Oh, I got it. Got it.
Nice. Actually locked in. Actually.
He's stuck.
Step mom stuck.
Nice,
Oh,
nice,
so
nice,
if
nice,
we're
nice.
here to
They're
They're
coming
coming
from
at the
both
middle, they're
sides.
coming. Oh no, they're
if we
coming at okay.
accidentally made like an insult joke, we're sorry for that because sometimes we
Oh
do that.
guys,
He's
something
pushing.
happened.
He's
Something
pushing.
What
happened.
He's
happened?
going in the cage.
Oh,
Ooh no. I thought it was
Ken from Barbie.
Ken from Barbie.
Someone
Barbie boy.
help me a bit here. I think. Should I just block this off?
Guys, two guys are coming.
Oh no, two guys
They're
are
coming.
coming.
They're coming. I need help.
They're coming, they're coming, they're coming, they're rushing, they're rushing, they're rushing, they're rushing, they're rushing, they're rushing, they're rushing. They're trying.
They're
Oh
just going.
Child score. Okay.
uh,
Okay.
okay,
We
We
need to
should all offense.
you rush now,
Offense.
Seb, you rush now, Seb, you rush now.
You guys help. You guys do defend ako. Cause I'm worried if we lose. I mean, if you
Shorty one.
guys.
The shorty one. Done.
Oh, I'm already getting attacked.
Shorty, what's up, Shorty? What's
One
up,
dead.
Shorty? What's up,
He's
Shorty? What's up, Shorty? What's up, Shorty?
one pushing up top. One from the
Push,
side.
push, push.
Never mind.
Okay, they're
Done.
coming, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming.
Got him. That's okay. I got one.
So push offense.
Right there.
Alright, I'm getting.
They tried to make a new bridge. Okay, guys, I'm rushing, I'm rushing, I'm
Okay, I
rushing.
died. I accidentally fell off.
I clutch, I clutch, I clutch. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap.
Get back.
Oh
Get back.
no, 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 no. You're coming at the other side, I think. No, no, no. It's safe, it's
My
safe, it's
bad,
safe.
bro.
It's safe.
I think I'm gonna be bad in this game because I'm on mobile, sadly.
Yeah, it's
It's
okay.
fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
At least you get to play with us, see?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
wait. Oh, they're child. Oh, haha, child
Child
support.
gun.
I'll get to the shoot child
One,
support.
one. I think is not pushing. I think is returning back to base.
Ooh, nice, nice, nice.
Let's
Ooh,
go.
nice.
3-3. We might win. We might win though.
Okay, this is
Oh,
like a 50-50 match.
Kind of a 50-50 match.
kind of 50-50 right now. They don't like defending their other side, so I'm going there. And I'm
Go,
about
go,
to
go, go, go.
score again.
Nice. Okay.
So
Okay,
You
now
change
they
up.
know that
Everyone
I'm
offense.
coming there.
We all rush. Okay, we all rush.
Everyone rush. Everyone rush. Go, go, go.
Crap, crap, crap,
Nah.
crap.
Oh,
Okay.
shit.
You got to you defend. You defend.
I might not be able to defend that much, but sure. I'll buy time.
Oh, better. Okay, okay. Okay, nice. Okay, nice, guys. Guys, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming.
Coming.
Child is going there. Child is going there.
Ooh!
Oh, let's
Let's
go.
go!
Let's
We
go.
almost lost that
GG's.
one.
It's
We
GG's.
almost lost that one though. Okay, that guy's
That was like a 50-50 chance we won.
not really.
W though.
Not really though. Not really. Well, let's go another match. Okay.
Another day, another victory for the OG.
Another day, another victory.
Alright, here we go. Okay,
Match,
everyone
match,
just
match.
I'll protect base.
Yeah, you always
Everyone just straight up
Cover up,
rush.
cover the holes, covers the holes.
Yeah, you need to cover the hole for so you can
So they can
Where's the
enter.
cave? I mean, where's the thing?
They, oh crap, they're already here, they're already here, they're already here.
They're already there.
Dude, I need
Okay.
help on the
Cover it up, cover it up.
yeah, that, I mean, Chris.
This other one, this other one.
Help me at,
Okay, it's already covered up.
Help me at attacking the dudes here. They
I'm
should
covered.
Alright,
be
just
1v1.
just rush up.
He looks familiar, eh.
Just rush up.
So familiar.
He's pushing, he's pushing.
Crap. Guys, guys,
They're
guys.
here.
He's
They're here,
pushing,
they're
he's
here,
pushing.
they're here.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
okay.
He's cracking the night.
Let me set up, let me set up, let me set up.
I fell off the void. Oopsie.
I need someone to help me rush, bro.
Wait,
Push,
I'ma
push,
help you
push.
rush.
Thanks. I need someone to attack. I need someone.
Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. He forgot about the top. So this is my distraction, guys. Look at my distraction. Bro, don't look backward.
Dude, I almost
Guys,
got to
don't-
their thing. I was mining and then they killed
Yeah,
me.
got him. Please.
Nice.
Okay.
Guys, I got the distraction, guys. This is a master plan, guys. Look at that. Look at that.
Push.
Look at that masterpiece, bro.
Okay, I gotta go. Please help me. Help me attack. Help me rush, bro. Help me rush.
Oh crap.
I fell off the void.
I need to eat my apples. I need to eat the apples. I need to eat the apples. Okay, apples. Nice. Not too shabby, no, not too shabby. Oh crap, I fell to the void.
Die.
Okay, not too shabby. How did he hit me from the back? Oh, thank you for the boost. Oh no. Guys, I dug a hole in their. Oh no, they're covering the hole.
I'm dead.
Oh, I gotta go. Come on, just go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
This is why they call me.
Guys,
Wait,
do you
hear
see
me
the
out.
like the
Hear me
bedwars
out.
stuff? Like
Build
they
another
covered
bridge.
them.
Build another bridge.
Bridge. Alright, hold on. Oh, I just go for it.
Oh, sadly we can't.
Just go for
Already
it.
one pushing. There's already one pushing.
Don't worry. Easy.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
I forgot.
I dug a big hole out of their base.
It's
So
kinda,
I'ma go
it's kinda
direct.
like,
I'm gonna do third person though. Never mind. I'm about
Third person sucks, bro. Like it actually
third person sucks, not gonna lie.
It's mid. It's
So-
straight up. You cannot see anything while you're
Yeah, bro. It's so hard.
It's
Yeah, bro.
hard to control when you're
Like-
third person. Or should I say
Come on.
I don't even
No,
know.
I was right in there. How?
it's hard to aim, bro.
Nice, guys. Oh,
Nice.
Oh, they didn't even
they were literally camping, bro. Like.
Diretso lang. Let's go straight
You
up.
gotta go straight forward right now.
They
Just go
camping,
straight.
they
Just go straight. Don't
Oh,
move from the
confirm.
formation.
Okay, I'm going here.
Easy.
I'm going here.
Oh, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
Person. Nice.
Nice.
5 goals for me. Let's go.
Nice.
Let's go, bro. Okay, next match. We're actually cooking. Not gonna lie.
Yeah. We're pretty good at this game. I mean, for level 9 like us, pretty good.
Bro, I'm only level. You're talking about, bro.
Oh. I'm level 9.
W. Oh, did they leave? Okay, never mind.
Okay, Chris is here. He's back.
I'm blocking them off. I'm blocking it off. Okay.
Okay.
Just
Block the
They
hole.
have
Offense,
two
offense.
computers. They have two people are in computer, bro. 2 people are in computer.
You're in
Aim for-
mobile, so
Aim for Luke and Evil Slime, bro. Aim for them. They have,
Baka tough.
Wait,
they're in
bro.
computer. They're in computer.
Bro, shoot the crossbow at them. I mean, cruise the. Yeah, it's that crossbow. Yeah, it's crossbow.
Okay, I'm gonna
Push up.
Oh, this guy, this guy,
They're
this
already
guy, this
coming.
guy,
They're
this
already
guy.
coming.
They're rushing, they're rushing, they're rushing.
Just
Bro,
rush straight.
it's not a good
I
idea
just
to
fell off
rush
the
all.
void.
I died.
Oh crap, me too, me too,
I'm
me too.
pushing, bro.
I'm pushing out, I'm pushing out.
We all push, okay? We all push, huh?
I'm already in. I'm
Push.
already in. I'm already
Oh,
in.
I think...
Put all the force on
I
us.
don't think... Dude,
We're like case
Wait,
over,
yeah,
we're like case.
dude has like...
Uh,
It's so suspicious.
Nice.
Bro, the
nice,
Nice.
nice.
Popcat dude
Guys,
has...
you gotta be AFK. Yeah.
Okay. Bro, this
Alright,
Popcat dude seems like he has a auto click or something.
yeah. Some sort of exploit or something.
Yeah,
Like
kind of.
how? Or he just drag clicks or something.
He's not
I'm back.
mobile. He's
Back,
not
I'm back.
mobile, bro.
They're
I
pushing.
mean, he can connect
So it's so easy. Like, bro,
Straight.
this guy thinks he's emo or something. Bro,
bro,
he
this
thinks
dude...
he's
I fell off.
emo.
Bro, to be honest, this
This,
Popcat dude
bro, I
has...
honestly hate these type of people, bro.
Bro, you just made me fall off.
I honestly hate those type of people with those like white hair. Bro, you look like a damn grandpa, bro.
Like, they're not
Straight
even
out
the
of
snack.
Frank.
Oh damn! Bro thinks he's too hollis. Nah.
Nice.
Nice. Okay.
Actually got to go.
Let's get him.
I'm about to boss.
Go, Sam.
Rush the... Let's go.
Nice.
Alright, I'm gonna be right back from a moment. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh shoot, our biggest display defense.
I'll take over his spot for now. Seb's spot.
They're pushing.
Yeah, just they're pushing. I don't care. They are rushing. I don't care at
They're
all.
all rushing.
They're dead. Ooh.
Dead again.
Ooh. Okay. Thank you for the boost. Thank you for the massive boost.
They're
Man.
going in.
Going. Oh crap. Okay, I could.
On
Okay.
dead.
Second one.
After
Okay,
this,
third one.
after this, we might end the video.
Ano ma?
Might end the video.
Get the popcat. He fell.
Okay, nice.
Oh crap.
Whoa. How can I not use my blocks? Oh, I
I'm good.
can't use my blocks. Oh,
I'm gaming again. I'm good.
okay.
Gunner.
I'm pushing back in.
Okay, just get him.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
One more. Actually, lucky. Bro, the bridge is weird. The bridge is feeling
How
weird.
can I not use my blocks, bro?
Average bridge. Don't expect too much. I know you're here, bro.
Oh my god.
I know you're here.
Go.
By the way, I might to end this video after this.
Huh?
I
Go,
already
Seb.
ended the video after this.
I need to take a shower.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
Yeah,
He
well,
might be cooked.
as a compensation, guys, we'll record
Bro,
another
just
video.
Seb, it's okay.
Kinak.
It's okay, we can record
You're already
another
done
video.
from the shower, man?
Yeah.
The fastest shower I ever seen ever, bro. Bro left for like 5 seconds.
Oh no.
Dude.
Dude, you can literally take a shower right now, end the video, and we'll film a part 2, bro.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Alright, guys. Now,
Part 2 is coming out soon.
don't worry. We're gonna record another video in a different game this time. So,
Yeah,
see
later.
you later.
See ya later, chat.
Peace out,
Bye-bye.
everyone. Thank you for
See you.
watching.